Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody had a great holiday weekend. I did record this before Christmas, so I just have some groceries to put away that are for some goodies to make for Christmas and some random snacks. I do need at some point to organize this pantry. It is a chaotic mess in here, but that is one thing that is on my to-do list.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old.
So I've been wanting to organize our vitamins better. I do have another tote behind this that has some in it too, but the ones in front are the ones that we use a lot or every day. So I did put them all in the same one. So all I have to do is bring it down and we have all of our vitamins there. So the fridge isn't super bad, but I have some leftover containers in here that I need to clean out. I just want to give the shelves a quick wipe down and organize this space a little better so I have more room in here. So this area is the loft. This is where our kids play the most. So it's usually the area that has the most toys in it. All of their bedrooms are upstairs here too. So this is the area where everything seems to kind of land. Try to keep it clean, but sometimes it's just impossible. We do have 4 kids. We have a 9-year-old, a 5-year-old, and 3-year-old twins. So we're trying to work on them cleaning up, but it's still a work in progress.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. 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 Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it gave you a lot of motivation, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks!